Hey guys, it's Luna. And today I'm going to be doing a room tour. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my room, obviously, but I'm also going to be showing you how to get a cute room on a budget. So let me close this door. So let's just go right in, shall we? Here's my room. So coming over towards the right, behind my door, I have all these little postcards from Brandy Melville. It's kind of random, kind of want to get rid of it, but I thought I'd include it. Over here we have my closets. I'm not going to show you because it's a disaster. But we also have this little cubby shrine thing. In here I have this little antler jewelry case. I think it's from World Market. I have this little La Luna frame picture. Bags, I have candles, I have all these little things. It's all just kind of little trinkets and stuff. Picture of me, fetus Luna. Okay, let me fix that right there. So moving over here, I have these two things. In this room, you will see a lot of moon things because my name is Luna, obviously, so you'll see a lot of that. This moon balloon I got on AliExpress for my birthday for like 60 cents and it's still alive, so I put it in my room. This star I got from IKEA and I have a couple of them in my room, as you'll see. They are the best. You like build them yourself. They're like $12 or something crazy. So moving on to my mirror, this is like my favorite thing. We got it from HomeGoods. This is the best mirror and it's makes you look like a skinny legend. Like, I don't know why, but I'm always blessed with skinny mirrors, and this one just fell right in my lap for what, $45? Something crazy like that. Over here I made this little thing. It's basically these fake birch branches from IKEA that were like $5 or something, and I just tangled lights all over them. It looks kind of cool. I have this chair from Restoration Hardware, and it's in my room. What are you doing?
I'm being artsy.
Don't be artsy.
Okay.
And I have this pillow, I think it's from Target, and it was like on clearance, so you'll see a lot of fur in my room. All over. Everywhere. For everything. But it's faux fur. Moving on to over here. This is one of the more crafty things in my room. Basically, I went to Michael's and I found all these letters, because I got inspired by my sister, who did the same thing in her room. But I found all these letters, and you literally go all over Michael's and they have different letters. Like they have the wood ones and these ones and all that. I didn't really know what to spell out, but I figured since I have these dream catchers in my room, that dream was kind of necessary. So basically, I got all those. These two are actually whitewashed with whitewash paint from IKEA. So they wouldn't be too dark, but they would also not be the same color as all the others. And we just nailed them in the wall. Moving on to the wall over here. I've always wanted one of these, obviously not real, so I went to Michael's and they had it in a cardboard. I took whitewash paint again and painted it and hung it, and I love it. It's great. These stars right here are the same thing that I was talking about over there. And you add light fixtures in them. You have to buy the light fixture separately, but it's the best lighting for your room. I don't even use my light really in my room. I just put these on and it really sets the mood. But I just got different ones and they're so cute. I love them. This is my bed. It's the comfiest thing you'll ever sleep in. This fur throw is from Target. I got it for my birthday. This pink blanket is from TJ Maxx. It's so comfy and obviously is my color scheme. I got this star pillow on clearance from Target and the other side says shine on. But we don't put that side up. These pillows are from Costco. They might be real, and I'm not too happy about it. These pillows have this light pink bedding on it that was too itchy for me to sleep with, so I decided to take the sheet and cover my headboard in it. My headboard originally was this gray studded headboard that didn't really match my room, so I just covered it in a sheet, and it works perfectly and it looks great. Moving on to my little nightstand over here. This little nightstand is from Target, got it on clearance. Of course, I have to have my crystals right next to my bed. This one is rose quartz for love. Always sleep next to your rose quartz. I have black tourmaline, Himalayan salt, and blue calcite. These crystals are necessities. So basically I have this bookcase thing Got it from IKEA. I have this letter board with my favorite quote, "Feel the fear and do it anyway." I have my Luna letters that I've had since I was born. I don't even know. I've had them forever.
Pottery Barn Kids.
They're from Pottery Barn Kids. I also have more crystals. I have this citrine right here and this quartz back there. This is a bottom of a lamp, and I stuck one of those stars from IKEA on it, and it actually lights up, but I didn't plug it in. Moving on down, it's just really random. My Beats pill. I have a salt lamp. Must read. Moving down, I just have my leotard. This is a whitewashed wine box, which is the easiest thing to do for storage. Just go to a local wine shop, or I think even Costco might have it, and then get whitewash paint and whitewash the wine boxes, and they turn out so cute and easiest thing for storage. Over here I have these IKEA shelves that we put in, and they just match my desk and the bookcase and my night table, so it was perfect. I just have random little decor things here. I have my Polaroid, this like Buddha head that I got from like the 99-cent store. I have a crown because, like, obviously. This is actually a Crayola marker box, but I didn't like how it looked in my room, so I covered it with this cute star wallpaper, and it's great. Love it. I have this sunglasses box, this little lantern from IKEA. I have an incense thing, my dream board, another crystal. Best one in the room, I believe. And then this is also another tip for easy, cute storage for like pens and stuff. Just take a can and rip off obviously the paper lining and soak it so you get all of it off, and it's so cute for all your little pens. I also have this little star lantern from Target, and then a notebook and just random little trinkets. Then moving down here, this whole fixture thing is from IKEA, but me and my mom added something cute on it, which is little stars on it, and I'll be inserting how we did that. We basically took wire and these little star bead things that we got from Michael's, and we stringed them on, and it's just so cute and fun, and little details in the room. I love it. This looks kind of messy right now, but whose desk isn't messy? Also, I wanted to show you over here, have two of the best, same exact book, but also a must read. This one just looks like more ancient, so I put it on top. Over here, I have a Prada pencil case. Moving on over here, I have this macrame wall hanging from Bali that my mom got me. And then I have these angel wings that I got from Michael's. You just look up 50% off coupon at Michael's, and it was like $15. So over here I have this little cozy corner. I have these little rugs that you can get at IKEA. They have a real version and a fake version. This is a fake version, and I think it's so cute. You literally throw them over all your mess, and it's a great way to cover it all up. I have Moroccan wedding pillow. I got this on Black Friday for $15 or something. And then I have this little lantern over here with a ow, it's really hot. I have this little lantern here with a candle in it. It's very bad fire hazard, but the last thing in my room that I have to show you is this dream catcher from Bali, and it's shaped in a moon, obviously, because my name is Luna, if you could not tell. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. I also hope that you got some inspiration, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye.